Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this in this agenda, I want to describing my portfolio website. I create that in Framer website, uh, and then I need time for create this website is 1 until 2 weeks. Okay, start to I'm Noval Amarul Azmalarkani. I'm live in Depok, Jakarta. I use creative design skill to ensure consistency and user friendly. Discover the first is discover and analysis, and the next is design and implement, and the last is deliver it mentor. This my last project. The first is there is restaurant dashboard, and then the second is cinematography. The third is Yon's audio. This is from business client, and then this poster Kemenperin for my mother company, and then website landing page. This for uh, how to say SKL, Mister. Informant class and this website landing page for SKL. The first is restaurant dashboard. Uh, Restaurant dashboard. Many small to medium-sized restaurant skill stroll to manage order, menu, staff, and sales performance in one neat system. Data I usually across various tools or still manual, making it difficult for owner to quickly monitor the condition of the business. This project I create in 20, 2020, 2025, and the client is UI case 2D, and category is dashboard design. Project duration is 1 until 2 months. The problem statement is restaurant owner find it difficult to view business performance summaries on a single screen, and there is three again for problem statement, and goals and objective is design a simple client and easy to understand the dashboard, and the second is presenting important data visual card and summary cards, and the third is helping owners make decision faster, and the last is creating a scalable system for restaurant operation. And the solution is dashboard overview. Total revenue, total cards, total order, total staff, and total menu items. Monthly sales performance card, and then quick insight without having to open multiple page. And there is three again for solution, and there is the tools for create this dashboard. The first is Figma for creating the dashboard UI, and Pinterest and UI 8 for referensi. And the last is ChatGPT for research the dashboard. And then is design system, color, typography, and then component. And the next is cinematography. Cinematography is my project for SKL again, and I create in 2025, and then there is no client this school project, and then category is videography, and production duration is 3 until 4 weeks. The objective is practice cinematic composition and micro scale, and then highlight a single subject with a non-distraction background, and then create a calm, natural, and focused in impression. And the last is directs the view direct the viewers directly to the main object. Visual analysis. The subject is the ladybird. On the left of the leaf is used the main point of interest, symbolizing focus and small detail that are often overlooked. And there is three again for visual analysis. And then tools. The tools is first my phone, my camera phone, and then tech technique technique. The technique is macro and close up shot. And the third is lighting. Lighting is natural light from natural light. And the last is editing. I edit in Adobe Lightroom and then apa Premiere Pro. Okay, the next is Yons Audio. Yons Audio is a sound crew that want to have a visual identity in the form of merchandise, namely the T-shirt. The client want a design that is strong, street style, and able to represent the world of audio, sound system, and their community. Is a designer. My job is to translate the identity into a t-shirt design that is a contact, consistent, and ready for production. And and the next is about me. I'm a Nova Azmulkani. I'm 17 years old, born in Jakarta and live in Depok. Live in Depok, Jakarta. I'm a young designer and photographer, a young designer who continue to develop the experience and skills gained from school. And the next is my service from my skill. The first is there is photo or videography, and then motion video, and the next is visual designer, and then 3D asset, and the last is UI UX and web design. Eh, lo, ada sir. Benar. Okay. The next is experience. Uh, my experience there is in Universitas Tekom. Uh, I'm become the operational support intern or serabutan. Uh, in Universitas Tekom, I have the job is helping things like wrapping packaging, delivery, it helping with, and even the at the university. And then is Gumroad seller. In Gumroad seller, I work the selling my work from school, such as 3D icon, and then UI dashboard and other project. And the next is Shutterstock. In Shutterstock, I become the seller again. Uh, in Shutterstock, I sell the my photo and then my video from my camera, and then Unsplash. In Unsplash, same with Shutterstock, I become the seller, and this Unsplash I work the selling my photo and video. And certification, there is Google UI UX design. I obtained this certificate after completing 7 assessment in this course. And there is mobile photography. I obtained this certificate after completing the assessment in the course. The course is alison.com. In the next is intro to UI UX. Uh, I obtained this certificate after completing the assessment in this course again. The course is skillful.com. And there is one certificate again, but not but cannot upload in my website because the certificate is now the certificate is UX research from Skillful Gain. And tools I'm already mastered. The first is Figma. This design tool, Figma is collaboration web application for design with additional offline feature for macOS or and Windows. And then Framer, web design platform. The internet, the internet if your canvas. Framer is where design and publish stunning sites based in Amsterdam. And then Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro and CapCut. This for motion video editing or cinematography. My place for editing motion video. The last is Blender. Blender for make the 3D logo or 3D icon or other 3D asset. And maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.